Hi. So we were studying in Arabic speaking course. The last lecture was about possessive pronouns, part one, right? So moving on to the part two of that same topic, possessive pronouns. So let's move forward with more examples. So we studied in the last lecture that in Arabic, these eight possessive pronouns are the most important ones, right? In speaking, right? So e, ka, ki, hu, ha. E means my. Ka, when you add ka to a word, it means your for a male. Ki, your for a female. Who, his. Ha means her. Like if I say kitabi, my book, kitabuka, your book, kitabuki, your book to a female, kitabuha, kitabuhu, his book, and kitabuha, her book. Similarly, for plural objects, we use three words, na, kum, hum. Na means our, kum means your, referring to plural objects, right? For example, if I say kitabukum, kitabukum, it means your book, right? Where your is referring to plural objects, right? And when I say kitabuhum, we are referring to their book. So these three pronouns are used for plural objects. So let's study more examples regarding this. So if I if I wanna say, how was your trip? So how was your trip in Arabic? I will say it like this. How means kaifa. How means kaifa, right? So how in Arabic means kaifa, and kanat means was. We will study this later in the section of verbs, what kanat is actually means, and how do we say was in different variations. So don't worry about that for the time being. Just focus on the pronouns. So kaifa means how, kanat means was, and rahlatu, rahla, rahla means rahla, rahla in Arabic means trip. Rahla in Arabic means trip. So if I say rahlatukum, it means your trip, simply your trip, right? So again, this since we are talking to a group, so we use the word rahlatukum, right? Again, moving forward, if I wanna say your house is beautiful, so house in Arabic is called bayt. House in Arabic is called bayt. And when I say your house, so it will become, we will add the word kum. So then this will become baytu kum. Baytu kum means, bayt means house, kum means your. Baytu kum, your house, right? And here your is referring to a plural objects, right? So baytukum jamil. And since, see, in Arabic, when we there are two words basically based on the thing you're referring to. So since the house is in Arabic is a masculine word, that is why we use the masculine adjective to describe it. Jamil means beautiful. Jamil, Jamil means beautiful in Arabic. And Jamila, Jamila also means beautiful in Arabic, but Jamila is said when the subject is feminine, and Jamil is said when the subject, which in this case is house, is masculine. So remember this. That is the difference between masculine and feminine subjects, right? So the words for masculine are different and the words for feminine are different. So Jamil is used for the masculine subject, and Jamila is used for the feminine subject, right? So in this way, every word of Arabic, uh, there are variations based on the gender of the subject. So you have to identify what you're referring to. So since in this sentence subject is bayt, house, which is masculine, so we'll use a word which is masculine for the subject, right? So Jamil is a masculine word. Why? Because the subject is masculine, bayt. So we will say baytukum jamil, not baytukum jamila. That will be incorrect grammarly, right? Grammatically. So moving forward, uh, now if I want to say, if I see a group of people and I want to say their car is fast, so I will say, so car in Arabic, you should know by now, means sayyara. Sayyara. And car is a feminine object, right? Car is a feminine object, right? So I will say, if I want to say their car is fast, so car in Arabic is sayyara, and there, to add there, I will add the word hum. Sayyaratuhum. So sayyara to whom? Sayyara to whom means their car. Their car. Their car. And in Arabic, sariya, sari'a means fast. Sari'a means fast. Sari'a means fast. Right? And since the subject, that is the car, is feminine, that is why we use the word sari'a. And if this subject, car, or if this subject would have been a masculine word, then we would have said the word sariya. Sariya. Sariya both mean fast, but sariya is used for masculine subject and sariya is used for feminine subject. For feminine subject, you just add the word a at the end, right? So that is the difference primarily. So Sariya again means fast. Sariya means also fast, but Sariya is used for feminine subject, right? Since car in this sentence is the subject, and since car is feminine, we will use the word Sariya, right? So moving forward, the last thing. So if we are talking about two people, then we add the word kuma for your and huma for their. So for example, if I want to say, how is your father? How is your father? And I'm talking to two people. So I will say, kaifa means how, halu, kaifa halu, kaifa halu, right? Walidikuma, walidikuma. Walid, walid in Arabic means father. Walid, walid in Arabic means father. Walid, walid in Arabic means father. So I will add the word kuma since I am asking about the condition of two people's father. So I will say walidikuma. How is your kaifa halu walidikuma? Right? Kaifa halu walidikuma. Right? Similarly, if I want to say, is this their house? So I will say hal hada, hal means is, right? And hal is a word you use to ask questions, right? Is, right? So haza, we have learned, means this, right? So hal haza baytuhuma, bayt means house, huma we add when we are asking to two people. So there is being referred to two people because the word huma is used for two people. So when I say the word, when I say the sentence, hal haza baytuhuma, it means is this their house? And there is referring to two people, right? So this is how we use different words, right? For two people. So again, you have learned many things in this video, in these two parts. You have learned, first of all, the main possessive pronouns in Arabic, I, ka, ki, hu, ha, and for plural objects, na, hum. And you have also learned the pronouns for referring to two people, for two things, for two people, right? And that is kuma for your and huma for their, right? And these two words are specifically used for referring to two people, right? Kuma and huma. Kuma means your, and it is referring to two people, and huma means their, and it is referring to two people. Now, the last thing before leaving, these are some questions that you will say in Arabic and write the answer in the comment sections. So again, right, the first sentence is my brother's a doctor. Second is where's your bag, asking to a female uh, person. And the third is their school is very big. Now, to help you guys, very in Arabic means to say very, we say jiddan, jid, jaddan, Jiddan, jiddan. Learn this word. It is very important while speaking Arabic. Jiddan. Jiddan means very. Jiddan. 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 Jiddan in Arabic means, in English means very, right? So learn this word. And also to help you, let me tell you what brother means in Arabic. How do we say brother? So brother in Arabic is said like this: akh, akhun, or just akh, right? So akh in Arabic, akh, the sound of kha, akh, akh in Arabic means brother. So when I say my brother, I will just add the word I. Akh means brother plus I means my. So akhi in Arabic means my brother. So the sentence is my brother is a doctor. So how will you say it in Arabic? Write me in the comment section and I will check it. Right. So doctor, we have studied what doctor, how do we say doctor in Arabic? So see the previous lectures. And bag also we have studied in the previous lectures, right? And where, the meaning of where, how do we say where in Arabic? We have done this. And school also we have done this. How do we say big in Arabic? We have learned it, right? So see the previous lectures. So write me in the comment section. We'll meet you in the next video.